In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find historical stock prices on Google Finance. Whether you're an investor, a student, or just someone curious about the financial markets, being able to look up historical stock prices can really shed light on the performance and trends of your favorite companies over time. So let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. We'll start by navigating to Google Finance. It's a fantastic resource for anyone looking to get quick and easy access to financial data, news, and market trends. To do this, simply open up your preferred web browser and enter www.google.com/finance in the address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be taken directly to the Google Finance homepage. Now, to access detailed features and ensure a personalized experience on Google Finance, you'll need to sign in. On the homepage, locate and click on the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. It's a straightforward process, but remember, the insights and personalized portfolio features Google Finance offers after signing in are well worth it. After you click Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're already signed into Google on another service like Gmail, you might see your account listed here. Simply click on your Google account to proceed. If you're not signed in or your account doesn't appear, you might need to enter your email address to proceed. Next up, you'll be asked to enter your Google password. Go ahead and carefully type in your password, ensuring it's correct to avoid any login issues. I recommend checking the visibility of your password if you're not sure you've entered it correctly, but make sure no one else is peeking over your shoulder. Once your password is entered, you'll click Next to proceed. Upon successful login, you're all set to dive into the wealth of financial information Google Finance offers. Now, let's get down to our main task, finding those historical stock prices. Look towards the top of the Google Finance page for the search bar. It's your gateway to a vast array of financial data on different companies. In the search bar, start typing the ticker or the name of the stock you're interested in researching. For example, if you're looking into Alphabet Inc., you could type GUG or Google to find its ticker. As you type, suggestions will appear below the search bar. These suggestions help you quickly find the stock you're looking for, even if you're not exactly sure of its ticker symbol or full name. When you see the stock you're searching for in the suggestions, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to that stock's specific page on Google Finance. On the stocks page, you'll find a wealth of information, including current price, market cap, and other essentials. But we're here for the historical data, so look for a graph that charts the stock's price over time. Right above the graph, you'll notice a timeline ranging from 1D to 1 day to YTD, year to date, and finally, max. The max option is what we're interested in, as it allows you to view the entire history of the stock's price as far back as the data is available. Click on max, and the graph will adjust to show you the historical price data of the stock. You can hover over the graph to see the price at particular times in history, compare performance over different periods, and get a tangible sense of how the stock has trended over time. And that's it. You now know how to find historical stock prices on Google Finance. This tool can be incredibly useful for conducting research, making informed investment decisions, or just satisfying your curiosity about the financial markets. Remember, while Google Finance provides a convenient and user-friendly interface for accessing financial data, always consider consulting with a financial advisor or doing more in-depth research before making any investment decisions. The stock market can be unpredictable, and it's essential to make well-informed choices. Thank you for joining me in this guide. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the stock market, I hope you found this video helpful. Happy researching and see you in the next one.